Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to leave a review on a Facebook page in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on your home page where you can see all your posts and pages. Now, scroll down and find the page you want to review. Once you're on that page, tap on the Reviews option in the Details section. Here's where you can see existing reviews and leave your own. Facebook will ask if you recommend this page or not. Tap Yes if you want to recommend it. Now, write what you recommend about this page in the text box. This is your Facebook recommendation that others will see. Next, change the audience setting to public so everyone can see your review. Once you're done, tap Done and then hit Share at the bottom. That's it. You've successfully posted a review on the Facebook page. Your recommendation helps others discover pages you love. Following these steps, you can easily leave reviews on any Facebook page and help the community make better decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tutorials.